How to delete TikTok account permanently. In this quick TikTok tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to delete your account directly from the app. First, open TikTok and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to remove. Next, tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Now tap Account, then scroll down and choose Deactivate or Delete Account. If you're only taking a break from TikTok, you can select the deactivation option. But if you want to permanently delete your TikTok account, tap Delete Account Permanently. TikTok may ask you to select a reason for leaving. Choose any option and tap Continue. Before proceeding, TikTok gives you the opportunity to review or download your account data. If you're ready to continue, check the confirmation box and tap Continue again. You'll now see a notice explaining that your account will first be deactivated for 30 days. During this period, your profile and content won't be visible to others. If you log back in within those 30 days, your account can be restored. Otherwise, after the 30-day period ends, your TikTok account, videos, messages, and other data will be permanently deleted. And that's how to permanently delete a TikTok account. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tutorials.